Hello there, welcome to Thinkcyber India. In the previous video, we have learned about how we can perform the conversion from binary to ASCII. In this session, we will be going to understand how the conversion can be done with the reverse format from ASCII to binary, which ultimately transforming the text to a digital code. So let's see and do have a look how things can be done. As we understood earlier that we do have characters like this, A is there, B, C, D and all. Now how system is going to understand them, system will understand them in the form of 0 and 1. So something similar again we will be going to do. Here comes the number for each and every character. As you can see, for decimal it's 65, for hexal it is 41, for octal it is 101, that we will be discussing later on. But as of now, do have a look to the decimal numbers. As you guys can see, A denotes 65, B denotes 66, C denotes 67, and yeah, every character do have its decimal number. And on the basis of that, conversion can be done, and at the back end, system do understand it. So we will see how the conversion can be done, and for that, I'm going to take a word, let's say cyber we can take. We'll see how a system will understand cyber word in the form of 0 and 1. So let's do have a look how this thing can be done, right? So as there we have ASCII to binary, and let me just gonna mention it up, the word which is cyber. So here we have to list out the numbers of those words. Let me just mention the alphabets first, which is C, Y, B, E, and R. Let's have a look to their numbers. So as you guys can see, these are the decimal numbers. For C it is 67. For Y it is, it's a small y, so it is 1 to 1. Then moving ahead we have B, so it's 98. Then E it's 101, and for the R it's 114. So let's to mention these numbers and have a look. Also I'll tell you that how you can done this process by using automation, but we'll just converting one characters to understood that okay, this is the thing which is happening at the back end. So let's see. So let's mention their decimal numbers. For C it is 67, for Y it's 121, B 98, for E it's 101, and for R it's 114. So from this step you guys know how the conversion can be done. So let me define the table to let the conversion to be done in terms of binary. So in the beginning I'm gonna take the word 67. Let's mention it up. The table, let me just create it up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. So now the question here is 64 is going to be the good fit for 67? Yes, it is. So mentioning number 1, because if I'll do minus 64, yes, it can be subtracted. As you guys can see, we have 3 remaining. Now 3 can be a good fit into it. No, not possible. So 0. For 16, not at all. Not for 8, not for 4, but for 2 it's going to be a good fit. So we'll mention the again number, it's 1. 3 minus 2, it's going to be 1, and 1 is remaining, which is going to be a good fit for 1. It means for the binary of 67, it's gonna be 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Now we will see how the further process can be done, because if I'll do convert each and every number, it will gonna take more time. So at this place, at this stage, we're going to use automation. So let's have a look. I'm gonna go to a site named Rapid Tables. Also, you guys can write down text to binary. So as you guys can see, we have the website named Rapid Tables at the top. Let me click on that and to have a look. So there it is. I'm going to put the word cyber there, and it is already selected to binary. Let's do convert, and we'll be getting the numbers like this, the binary format, which is 1000011, and something similar we got it. It's 1000011. But here comes the question is, why they have given an extra zero in the beginning? It is there because to complete a byte. As we come to know earlier that 8 bits can be denoted as 1 byte, and that's the pattern the system is following because it is easier to understand for a system that okay, it's going to be 1 byte, then 1 byte, then 1 byte. So this is how system do takes the information and present in front of us. Okay, so that's going to be the format that it do follow. Also, you can follow the same process for the different conversions. Let's do have a look. Now I will reverse it up. Let me copy this binary and let's do binary to text. Mentioning the binary, clicking on convert, and you will see I got the cyber back. Also, I'm gonna go to decimal to binary directly from there. As you can see, it's going to be the decimal, then binary. So decimal number I'll be providing, let's say 65, convert, and this is what I know. We have converted this up earlier, right? It's 1000001, which we just converted at there. Okay, this is for 67. Let me mention it up and let's compare. So yeah, it's gonna be, as you can see, 1000011. You can also do reverse. You can do binary to decimal or the rest of the conversions you guys can do that we're going to understand in the upcoming sessions. So I hope you guys understood the concept of the conversion from binary to ASCII as well as from ASCII to binary, right? So do perform, practice, do develop, understood the technique, and yep, that is it for today. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll be going to see you in the next session. Bye bye.